Hi, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So basically I wanna walk you through the GenAiPro voiceover generator, and some people call it text to speech. So after trying it out, I felt like I have to do a full video review about this particular software. So just in case you are interested in trying out a voiceover generator, so you can actually look into this software. And in all honest, I'm gonna be telling you every fact about this software, and after the end of this video I believe that you will then proceed if you actually want to go for these tools, right? So I find out different AI tools. I have used Clipchamp, I have used Love Voice, right? So, and I have also tested out 11 Labs, which is one of the best AI tools, to be sincere. But then looking at the price and the cost, I felt like I'm not going to be able to afford this software again, considering the fact that what I'm actually trying to work on, I've not been bringing in revenue so that I'll be able to afford the tools, right? So I just feel like let me just look for another tools which of course I'll be able to afford, and then I'll keep using till everything makes sense to me personally. So then I figure out GenAiPro, which is also one of the best tools for AI voiceover generator. So they don't only have voiceover service, they also have ChatGPT Plus, and this is voiceover, and this is video generation features. So basically when they first started, they started at around, I think that's $11 thereabout, right? But now is it $11 or $15, something down range, right? So but then I did not subscribe to their pro features as at that time. I only used the free 10,000 credit provided, which can actually give you like 10-minute voiceover. But after then I felt like that money is too much, I don't want to do it, so I have to keep using some other tools. Like I said, I use Clipchamp, which is literally free, but the voice is very weird, so I don't want to actually go or keep using it. So me coming back to GenAiPro, I found out that they have already increased the price like $22 or $22, which is quite much, right? There's another tools that I'm also using, probably I'm gonna do a video about them. But then the issue why I move on to this particular tools is because that particular tools actually gave me an issue. It can actually take a day to generate a voiceover, which is very, very bad. So then I move on to GenAiPro, even for the fact that the price got increased, and they have another plan for 30 days, which is $80, which is going to give you like 250,000 credits. That's literally 2 hours, 3 hours maybe, or 4 hours, because 60,000 make 1 hour, right? So 120 make 2 hours, so maybe approximately like 150 50 hours or something like that. So but then if you multiply it by 4 to what you are actually trying to get right here, I think you're gonna be paying a way more than this, which is like 30 something dollars before to get 1 million credits. So then the best thing that I just have to do is just go for the popular one, which is the 1 million credit for $22. Literally that's way much. But then if you have to consider it looking at the price of 11 Labs, you see consider this GenAiPro. So I just have to go for it. But then we're gonna look into it to see the voice I've been able to generate with this GenAiPro. We're also gonna be using some credit to fact check how fast it is to generate a voiceover on GenAiPro. And if you're also interested in using these tools after watching this video, you can use the first link in the description. I'm gonna appreciate that. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. And mind you, I have also subscribed to the GPT Plus as well. But the thing is that, right, if you are using multiple laptop to access the tools, it's gonna bounce you back after some while. It's gonna bounce you back that you are trying to manipulate the platform. So if you want to buy the tools, I'll suggest you use it alone for yourself, not in group maybe. So that's just for the ChatGPT Plus. So let me walk you through the inside of GenAiPro. Okay, right? So this is the inside, and let me show you when I subscribe to these two. Sorry, payment history. All right, so I paid through USDT, which is 1 million credits, as you can see right here, which is $22. So then there's another thing I want to show you. No, oops. Okay, right here on page, and then you navigate to, like I said, they have different features. So you have ChatGPT, you have Labs, you have View and Banana. So just click on Labs if you are working on voiceover. So it's gonna bring you to this particular page right here where you can actually paste your script. So as you can see, they gave me 1 million credits, so it remained 870,000 credits. So credit details right here. So I'm gonna show you how to generate a voiceover with it. So for you to choose a voice, so you can select on the voice right here. So just select voice, and there are a lot of voice right there. So just click on filter. So once you click on filter, select language. So there are tons of language right here. We have English, Chinese, Spanish. You can also I think I also clone a voice, I guess. I'm gonna look into that. So select English, then accent. Select your accent if you want America, Australia, British, Canadian, India, and all that. So there are a lot of language right there. So if you want American, so just select American. Then category, the kind of content you actually want to create also matter for you to get a nice voice. So if you are in the narrative and stories, just select narrative. And if you are in the conversational, you want a conversational voice, character and animation, social media, entertainment and TV, advertisement, information and education. So this is the particular one I'm actually using. So you just select the one that you want. So if you want a narrative story, so someone to narrate a story of yours, so just select it. Then if you want both gender, you can just leave it as any, but if you want a particular gender, you can just select male or female depending on which one you want. Then for the quality of the voice, you can also select high quality, and I think this one will also cost more credit probably. So but I leave it on any, right? So on the age, I also leave it on any, but then if you already have a story you are working on, so you can just select probably young, middle age, old, something like that, depending on the kind of content you're trying to create, like I said. So then notice period, so you can select how long you want the voice to be on your account. So, or maybe you just want them to just delete it after 30 days. Include live moderation, I don't know what this actually means, but then so once you are done with this, just select apply filter. So all the voice is going to change. So you can see all the voice are going to change. So you can play around the voice. So on this one right here, you can see Henry. So you can see how long people have been using this voice. You can see Henry, deep, professional, and shooting. Then you can see notice period for 2 years. Okay, this is what the notice means. So that means the notice period, the voice has been in existence for over 2 years, right? So people that have using in the last 7 days, they have using this voice for over 10 million, right? Then for the 1 year, that's 1 billion plus. For the use count, you can see how many users that have using this voice. So they say this voice support English, Hindi, Polish, Portuguese, Spanish, Greek, like all these languages. So there are other people voice right there. So all these voice are basically narrative and story, right? So I'm gonna click on that, then we're gonna listen to the sample. So let's listen to that.
Crystal clear narration brings each scene vividly to life, engaging your senses.
Right, that makes sense, literally. So natural, right? So let's check on the solely mature, deep, and intriguing. So let's check on that. Deep, mature, American male, right? That's basically English. So let's check this out.
Don't smother each other. No one can grow in the shade.
That makes sense too. So Harrison Gale, let's check on this one too.
Let her go now. That'll be the end of it. I will not look for you. I will not pursue you. If you don't, I will look for you, and I will find you.
That makes sense, to be honest. That makes a lot of sense, because on the particular voice that I'm using, the voice is literally amazing. I'm not gonna even lie. So let's try to generate just a small voiceover on let's try to use Henry. Right, let's try to use Henry. So basically there are a lot of voice, like every country. So I don't want to, if I'm from Nigeria, US, like countries are many right there. So English, the languages are many as well. So just go through it, and then I'm very sure you're gonna be able to select one that suits your needs. So once you see the one that suits your needs, so just click on this, click right here, and you can also favorite the voice just for the future use. So just click on this, then the voice is going to select. So the voice is selected. You can see Henry, deep, professional, and shooting. So let's try to look for script, just small script to look out for, so we can actually generate that. So let me go through on this page. Okay, I'm gonna copy this right here just for test. Then the voiceover is basically for stories, right? So it will narrate the voice through stories. So but I just want to use this for example, because I'm not gonna use it. So all this speed right here, I don't touch it, but you can play around it to get what you actually want. So but me personally, I don't just touch it, so I just leave it like that. For the speed, for the stability, and for the similarity, so I just leave it like that. So you can work on it, you can test it out for you to get what you actually want, because if you play around it, every features have impact, right? So you can just select which one actually works. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just click on create voice. So once you click on create voice, it's gonna take you to the history while it's moved step by step to the generation part. So let me quickly do that, because the script is not much, so I'm very sure it will be very, very fast. So let's click on create. So the pop-up says confirm create voice. So yes, I want to confirm it. So then confirm, then take to history, then it will start loading, right? So you can see all the voices I've actually generated. So completed. So once the voice is also done, it's gonna write completed. So you see the status that will be moving one after the other, so till it's complete, then you will be able to click on download right here. So I've not used these features before. Export subtitle, I've not used it, I don't need it. You can also play it to test it out how it sounds. So I'm gonna wait for that to load. So sometimes just that I don't want to skip this for you to see how the process on how long it takes for the voice to generate, right? So I'm very sure it's not gonna take much time because the script is not much. But without wasting much of your time, I want to also show you their payment methods if you want to subscribe to the GenAiPro. So all you just have to do, just go to home page. I can leave the page, it will still generate at the end of the day. So go to the home page, then select any plans you want to go for. So just click on select package. Then you see I don't have money to be deducted, so all you just have to do, just click on top up now. Then you see where to top up. You can top up with Binance, you can top up with USDT, and you can also pay with PayPal. So but that attracts 10% fee if you are using PayPal. But I make use of USDT. It's very simple. So you can also use Binance, crypto to be precise, and that way it's very much easier, right? So that's how you can actually pay for the GenAiPro. And like I said, for you to get a discount, you can use my link in the description, the first link in the description, to get a discount, right? So let me go back to the page and let's see what we are doing. All right, so we'll go back to history. Let's see if it's complete or not. Okay, it's not complete, it's still on it. So I want to pause this video till the voice complete, then I'm gonna play it so you see how it sounds. All right, so it's done generated, so just finish. So in all honesty, this take like 3 to 5 minutes to generate. That's quite longer than I expected, for the fact that the script is very small. So let's listen to it.
Are you looking to try the Calidata free trial to test one of the best, if not the best, TikTok Shop analytics and product research software? Then you've just landed in the right place at the right time. So let's quickly clear the air. Does Calidata have a free trial?
Right, so this is so perfect. Like, it's very, very perfect, and it's a good voice, to be honest. So that is just my view about GenAiPro, and it's actually the best tools you can actually use compared to 11 Labs. Because if I have to be sincere with you, most of the voice on 11 Labs are on these particular tools as well. It's just like they, you know, like they copy each other. I don't know who copy would, but 11 Lab has been in existence for a while now, and this also looks like it's been in existence for a while. But then what I'm trying to say is that they all have the same voice on the platform. So instead of paying that much on 11 Labs, I can actually just use GenAiPro to get what I actually want. So use my link in the description to get GenAiPro, and if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. I'll try as much as possible to reply your question. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.